In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix xinput1_3.dll missing error. So first, go here and type in cmd. Right click and then run as administrator. Here, write this code, dism/online/cleanup image/restore health, and then press enter. Then write this sfc/scan now, and after it's done, try restarting your computer and see if your error has been fixed. If it's still there, then go here, and now we're gonna type the name of the missing DLL folder. So I'll just place it here and then type download. Then go to the first web page. So here you're gonna notice that you will have 64-bit and 32-bit. So what you need to know is what type of computer you're using. So if you go here, you'll see like 64-bit or 32-bit. So keep that in mind. If you're using 64-bit, then you should download 64-bit and 32-bit. If you're using 32-bit computer, then just download the 32-bit and that's it. So I will download the latest version of the 32-bit, which is the one at the very top. I'll click here. Then I'll leave and download 64-bit. Okay, download is done. Now I'll go open downloads. So here I'm gonna label them. This one is 32-bit. And this one is 64-bit. Now extract them. Now you can place this here and go to this PC, C drive, Windows, then System 32. Go inside the 64-bit, and then you're gonna follow these steps if you're using 64-bit computer. So go here and just drop it inside, click replace. Go back to Windows, go to syswap64, go inside the 32-bit, drag and drop, and then click replace. If you're using a 32-bit computer, then just take the 32-bit file and drop it inside System 32, and that's enough. And after this should fix your issue.